Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your project so systems scale, open Roblox Studio, enable API access, and make a clean map with terrain and a spawn. Once done, create a folder called Disasters in Workspace and add a Module Scripts folder for reusable code. Make a remote event named Trigger Disaster to control events from server to clients. This separates logic from presentation. This first step ensures replication works and gives you a predictable structure to build each disaster module on. You now implement modular disasters. Code a module script for each event with start and stop functions and exposed parameters like duration, intensity, and radius. Next, make a server script to select disasters using timers and probability weights, then call Trigger Disaster, fire all clients, name params. On the client, listen and spawn visuals, particle emitters, ambient sounds, camera shake math, and HUD warnings, so clients display effects without trusting networked physics. This split improves performance and prevents exploitation. You finish by polishing and testing thoroughly. Run play and run server to observe server-client interactions and log state transitions. Once done, optimize heavy effects by reducing particle emission rates, using level of detail for sounds, and culling off-screen objects to keep FPS stable. If things break, check remote event paths, ensure module scripts return tables, and confirm API services are enabled. These are common causes. Finally, iterate on timing and balance so disasters feel dramatic, but don't ruin gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.